What's up, everyone? Even though no one's probably gonna watch this, today's a good day. It's kind of like Christmas around here for Jeep 2.0, aka Project Hammeronit. I just got back from Chippewa, picked up my squeaky clean, freshly sandblasted axles. Check this out. Look at this stuff. This stuff is so covered with shit and crud before. You couldn't look at it without staining your fucking clothes. She is quite nice. Look at all that stuff. I mean, clean. I can't wait to start chopping off these perches and cleaning up the nonsense that's on here till all this stuff's just smooth. And look at that Turbo 400. That thing probably didn't look this good and rolled out from underneath whichever truck it was ultimately on. But yeah, so big things are happening here. Obviously, the frame has been relocated to my backyard. Towden is sitting here awaiting its new home. I got my tube bender back. It's not mine anymore. This is a project that I had a couple years ago. But it's if you look it up, it's gottrikes.com. I think you can buy the blueprints for like 13 bucks, and it's like $100 worth of material. Takes a while. If you gotta have a good drill press, you gotta have a few good bits. I actually use a unibit, a really sweet unibit for all the frickin' holes that I had to drill in this thing, and then picked up a couple of tractor pins. This ram here is from Northern Tool. It's like 80 bucks. It's a 20-ton. Oh no, sorry, it's a, let's see here, it is, it's an 8-ton air over hydraulic ram. So you hook up an air hose here, it's really sweet, pull the trigger, bend some tube. I got a 1.5 inch die. Built this thing. I was going to build a tube chassis for the Jeep. And then, well, we still built the tube chassis, but it's rectangular. I built a couple little projects, but nothing to justify keeping it. My buddy Dano bought it. But he's letting me borrow it back so I can bend some shock hoops for the new chassis. Got my the beating heart right there, currently not beating. There's a shout out right there to the monster go-kart, 5.5 horse Subaru, thing's a beast. So some big stuff's going to be going on in the next few weeks here as we mock up axle placement, bolt the engine to the transmission, get it set in there. I want to keep the lowest part of the drivetrain above the bottom of that belly, and then once we figure that out, we'll be able to slide it forward and back, figure out where the engine's got to sit with the right degree slope, start burning in mounts. Then we can set the body on there, start burning in body mounts, figure out where our 4-link and brackets and stuff are going to work. It's going to be a lot of setting on and taking off and sliding stuff underneath things and propping stuff up. It's going to be a fun ordeal. Another thing I'd like to do, it's kind of like a fun little deal. I got some mail today, something I wasn't 100% sure if we were going to do, but it's kind of more simple. And I don't know if it's more simple, but it's just kind of more, I don't know, modular, I guess. I've always wanted to do fully hydraulic steering. Sorry, I have poor filming skills. So I ordered some stuff. I haven't opened this yet. I wanted to do like an unboxing. This is the Trail Gear, 2.5 inch diameter, 8 inch double-ended ram. I think that's what's in here is the ram. That's from Trail Gear. I got a buddy on Facebook who's been hooking me up with Barnes.com stuff, and then I think his company Hired Gun Off-Road. So they gave me a sweet shirt. In here, what I got is here's the tubes for the double-armed ram. It's like weld-in inserts for the tubes. Hind joints also for the tubes. Oh, look, a sticker. Throw it in my water bottle. I thought I'd do an unboxing thing here just to show how cool some stuff is when you get home and you've been waiting for it, you take it out of the box. So I'm gonna prop this up best I can. Try to do a little unboxing ceremony. It's been sitting here for like 3 hours since I got home. Super busy. I can't believe it. I made it this long without opening this thing. I got an orbital also on the way if it's not in here. Should all be matched up, so should get about 3 turns out of the steering. Should be fairly streetable. Probably more streetable than the bust ass leaf spring that we had before. Oh yeah. Yeah, so the orbital's not here, but there is a RAM and a sticker. Power flow. Not sure what that is. But you know. Let's check this thing out. See what we got here. We're set up with 3M fittings on the RAM. There it is. Look at that thing. Thread-in inserts for those, let's see. Yeah, so it's kind of nice because some of them have like a built-in clamp that's like welded to the tube. So you kind of have to put it however the plate actually is. This one has four clamps you can see in here. You clamp them on, they got bolt holes. You can mount this pretty much wherever the hell you please. They already have 6AN fittings welded into the tube. Good stuff right here. High quality. All the graded, correctly graded hardware. And then, of course, the mounts. These are the ends. Shackle, what do they call them? Clevis. They say they're clevises, but I think it's technically actually a clevis. We'll see. Let's see what they got here. Bolts. There must be a tube. Oh no, that's right. Yeah. So yeah. All right. It is a clevis. Actually, it's not. It's a shackle. So yeah. Just looking at it here, what I see they do. You got this big ass 7/8 bolt. Basically, just locks in here. I suppose that's gonna swallow this Heim joint. Yeah, be like that. There's a bolt that goes inside this and into the RAM. So basically, this is your, you know what I'm saying. Good talk. Some DOM for those 2 ends. Customizable length for her pleasure. Weld-in inserts for DOM. Oh look, little surprise gift. Hired gun shift knobs. Whoops, probably not going to work with the 208. I think these are for a 205. So it's going to be backwards in the camera, but check that out. That's pretty cool, I guess, if you're into that. I'm not, but maybe somebody is. So that's some cool stuff. We got a bunch more. Got a bunch more stuff too, but we'll go over this pile of goodies as the time comes. Yeah, I guess I'm gonna get my shit together. That way, next video I have some better content. But I was pretty excited to get this stuff because I've been waiting for that for a while. So, all right, hammer on it. Oh, and like this video. And subscribe to my channel, and also click the notification bell. If you don't, you won't know when I post new videos, and then how will you ever survive without watching them? All right, we'll talk to you guys next time. Hammer on it.